Hi, this is Dr. Farmer, and this video is about performing two analyses that examine the relationship between two variables. The first analysis that we're going to perform is the crosstabs analysis, which allows you to perform a chi-square. In order to perform a chi-square, you have to follow two rules. The first rule is that both variables must be nominal variables. Nominal variables are also called categorical variables. That means that you're in one category or another. For example, you have to be male or female. So in order to perform this analysis, you have to have categorical/nominal variables. And you're looking at the relationship between two nominal variables, such as is gender related to college level. College level in this data set is also a nominal variable. Freshman, sophomore, junior, or senior. You can only be in one of those four groups. All right? So in order to perform a chi-square, you go up to Analyze, Descriptive Statistics, Crosstabs. That's why I called it a crosstabs analysis, because it's really the way that you do a chi-square. It doesn't matter which one you put into either box, but you identify your two variables, gender, we said, and want to see if it's related to college level. So we put college level in columns or gender in rows. And it doesn't matter, you can do either or, as long as you have one variable in each slot. And then you go over here to the statistics button, and you want to ask for the chi-square. You also want to ask for the phi and the Kramer's V as ways to test the significance of the chi-square. You hit continue, and then you want to go up to cells, and you want to click on expected. All right, this allows you to see. Observed gives you what you actually found. Expected tells you what, based on statistical analyses, we would expect to have in that row or column. You hit continue, then you hit OK, and you get this printout. And what we see here, if we look at gender, male and female, we look at female first. We had 1 female freshman, 4 female sophomores, 22 female juniors, and 22 female seniors. If we look at male, we had no males, freshmen, 4 male sophomores, 1 male junior, and 5 male seniors. All right. Expected is right under what we actually got. So for example, for sophomore females, we had 4, but we expected 6.6 or 7. All right. The thing that tells us whether or not there's a relationship is this Pearson chi-square down here. All right. And the value for the chi-square is 9.05. So you would round that up to 9.10, 3 degrees of freedom at the 0.029 level. Remember, if it's 0.05 or lower, it is significant. So this data suggests that there is a significant relationship between gender and the year that you are in. However, there's a problem with this chi-square. If we look at this number, 62.5%, must be 20% or lower. Otherwise, if it's higher than 20%, it invalidates the chi-square. The reason is because you can't have this many empty cells. So while this suggests significance, we don't have enough males in our study to really do a valid comparison between males and females on the year of college. I hope that this has been helpful. I look forward to talking to you soon. Hi, this is Dr. Farmer. We're also going to run a correlation. A chi-square examines the relationship between two categorical or nominal variables. A correlation examines the relationship between two continuous variables. That means it can have any number. You're not in a group. You can have a number from 1 to a million, if you will, on either one of those scores. In this study, we're going to use the Anxiety 1 group's data again, and we're going to go down and use some of their created scales. And so at the bottom of their data set, they have a general anxiety scale and they have a hypervigilance scale. So just for fun, let's look and see if there's a correlation between general anxiety and hypervigilance. In order to do this, we're going to go to Analyze. We're going to go to Correlate, and we're going to do Bivariate. This box opens. We'll scroll down to where those variables are. We said general anxiety, which is here. And we want to look at hypervigilance, hypervig, which is here. That's all you need to do. You click OK, and this box comes up. As you see, general anxiety and hypervigilance have a correlation of 0.499, which is 0.50, and it's significant at the 0.00001 level. So it's very closely related. You would expect that to be the case because hypervigilance is a characteristic of anxiety. Correlations are very simple and easy analyses to do. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.